England vs India T20I Series 2026 first T20I match. Both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 1st July. Time 10 p.m. Venue Riverside Ground, United Kingdom. England team best playing 11. Number 1 Philip Salt. Number 2 Jacob Bethel. Number 3 Josh Butler. Number 4 Harry Brook. Number 5 Will Jacks. Number 6 Sam Curran. Number 7 Rehan Ahmed. Number 8 Liam Dawson. Number 9 Jofra Archer. Number 10 Adil Rashid. Number 11 Loki Wood. Indian team best playing 11. Number 1 Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma. Number 3 Ishan Kishan. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 Tilak Verma. Number 6 Swan Sheikh. Number 7 Akshar Patel. Number 8 Shivam Dube. Number 9 Prince Yadav. Number 10 Ravi Bishnoi. Number 11 Ashdeep Singh.